Hey guys, welcome back to All About Mining. Today in this video we're going to look at Atlas Earth and we're going to show how we withdraw money from Atlas Earth. And today we're going to withdraw a pretty good amount, probably about $50, $52, something like that. And so let's just go ahead and look at this. So here we're on our home screen. We can see at the top here we have $52.30 accrued. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take that money and deposit it or withdraw it from Atlas Earth and deposit it into our PayPal account. So let's quickly go over that and show you how to do that. So first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on that rent that you have gained there. So we're going to click on that, and then down here at the bottom it's going to say redeem now. So go ahead and click on the redeem now button, and here you can see I've already withdrawn $20.70 and different approved items along the way. And usually those are $5 increments. Today we're gonna go ahead and hit redeem now. And now we got to decide an amount, okay? So it says our current balance is $52.30. So we go to put some money in here. Let's see what it'll let us do. 52 point. It's not letting us do a cent, so it's gonna be by the whole dollar. So $52. I hit OK. Next. Now it does give us some other options here where it says get cash coming soon. You should be able to withdraw and actually get crypto for your rent, and also stocks. So that's those two are hopefully coming pretty soon. But right now we're just gonna go for the cash. We're gonna get the cash out. So we're going to click on get cash, confirm. Now, it is going to text you a confirmation code. You may or may not have to put the confirmation code in there if it recognizes your phone. You've done this before. And so it just automatically accepts it, which mine did. It says cash out successful. Okay. All right. We are on the screen that says Atlas Earth sent you $52. All right. Now this is going to be going to my All About Mining page, but there we go, $52. And let's go ahead and hit redeem. Choose a product, United States. We're gonna say, so it has a number of different ways that you can cash this out. So from visas to gift cards to charity donations. Obviously if you do a donation, you're not getting it, the company, the charity will get it. And then transfer options down at the bottom. We got ACH transfer, PayPal USA, Venmo. I'm just going to do PayPal because that's who I typically use. You got to put in your PayPal account email. Once you put in your PayPal account email, then it'll give to you we're sending the money to your PayPal account screen. All right. So once you get that, you should be able to go ahead and exit out of there. Your money will arrive shortly to the PayPal account, and then you claim this on the date you claimed it. So today would be 8/16. All right. So from there, you can just go ahead and exit out. Then you can see your rent balance has been deducted by whatever you pulled out. And so my rent balance is 31 cents. All right, so it's only been a few minutes, just a couple minutes, and I'm looking at my PayPal account, and there's the $52. So I received the $52 into my PayPal account, and then what I actually did right after that is I went ahead and took it out of PayPal and deposited it right into my bank account. So I hope this video helps you see that you can still withdraw your rent income and get that deposited right into your PayPal account. And I'll keep you updated as things progress, and future updates we might be able to withdraw to get stocks or crypto. And so I'll let you know when that stuff happens, or else I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like this video, subscribe to this channel if you like it, add your own comments down below, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.